mountain is moving! Help! The snow is falling!
Is everyone ready for the snow?
Yes! Let's pack the car. Put the bags in the trunk.
I have my thick coat, my gloves, and my winter hat. Max is ready too! Jump in the car, Max!
Do we have the hot chocolate? Do we have the hot chocolate? And the sandwiches?
Yes, the food is in the basket. Let's go!
Look out the window. The mountains are completely white. It is beautiful. I want to play in the snow right now.
We are here! Look at all this snow!
It is very cold. But the sun is shining.
Let's build a snowman! Yes! Help me roll the snow. Make a big snowball for the body.
Here are 2 branches for the arms. And a carrot for the nose.
The snowman looks great. Now, smile for a picture.
Incoming!
Snowball fight! Oh, you are in trouble now.
Throw the ball to Max! Fetch, Max!
Do not go too far. Stay near the car.
Look, Max! There is an ice cave here. Let's look inside.
What is that noise?
The mountain is moving!
It is a small avalanche! Watch out!
Help! The snow is falling!
No! My son! Max! Max!
They are under the snow! We have to dig!
I cannot see them! I cannot see them! Where are they?
Keep digging! Use your hands!
We need a shovel! We need a shovel!
Look! It is Max! He got out!
He is calling us! He knows where he is!
Help the dog dig! Quick!
I couldn't breathe. It was so dark.
We have you. You are safe now.
Max protected you. He took the heavy snow.
Thank you, Max. You saved my life.
Get in the car. Turn on the heater. Turn on the heater.
We must take off these wet clothes. Put this dry blanket on.
The hot chocolate is still warm. Drink this. I am feeling better. But I was very scared.
Nature is beautiful, but it can be very dangerous.
We are going home. Max gets a special dinner tonight.
Snow and ice are heavy and dangerous. Never play under snowy cliffs. Always stay alert and cherish your pets. They are true heroes. See you in the next story.